Hey everybody! We're back with another how-to video for you, and I think you're really gonna like this one. Today, we're making Oreo cream cheese cookies, and here is what you're gonna need. 1 pack of cream cheese, half a cup of salted butter, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of flour, and about 15 crushed Oreos. First of all, get a large bowl and drop in your cream cheese. Then, add your butter. And your 3/4 cup of sugar. Then you're going to want to wait till the butter and cream cheese gets to about room temperature, so it's soft enough to mix. Okay, so don't do what I did in this video, because I accidentally put in the flour before mixing, but after mixing the cream cheese, butter, and sugar. Then you could add the flour. After mixing in the flour and making sure everything is combined, add in your crushed cookies. Mix everything together and leave the mixture in the fridge for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take the mixture out of the fridge, roll the mixture into small balls, and place them on a greased pan. Heat up the oven to 350. Place your pan in the oven and set a timer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take your cookies out and let them cool down for about 10 minutes. Now, because this is a Halloween treat, I decided to put a bit of strawberry jam on the cookies. Now I have a bloody Oreo cheesecake cookie treat. And I hope you enjoy. Oh, and hey, if you did enjoy, why not hit the like button? And if you haven't already subscribed to the SSF's YouTube channel, why don't you do that now? The best way to keep up to date with all of our events and videos, right in one place. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.